And then like Josh Duhamel, like, cause like I already did my red carpet, and this was before the cast, like photos and everything. And he saw me, and he was like, he pointed, he was like, "Come here, you." I was like, "What are you talking about?" And he called me, and he was like, in front of everyone, he's like, "This is gonna be the biggest writer, blah, 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 blah." And like, we just did photos together, and it was great. My name is Adam G. Levine. I am from the writers program from 2023 to 2025, and I just went to Los Angeles for the red carpet world premiere of my movie, Neglected. I wrote this first draft in 2021, got the deal in 2022. We shot in 2024, we went to TIFF in 2025, and then we finally had the world red carpet premiere on Monday the 4th, which was just, it was incredible. It was like life-changing, and it was really emotional just to see my work and everything, but yeah, I'm still speechless. I'm still like getting off like the adrenaline high right now. When I got to the red carpet, I couldn't stop smiling, but it was very overwhelming because they had like a lineup of cameras and everything. And then basically they're like, "Adam, Adam, Adam, Adam," but it was like, ended up being one by one, which is great. But like with the flash and everything, it was overwhelming, but it was so like amazing. And then I found out after that, like my mom, my sister, and my cousin were like all crying and tearing up because they were just so happy for me. So the movie is about a killer, Dylan Sprouse, who came into the police precinct where Detective Shaw, played by Josh Duhamel, works. Basically, he turned himself in and kidnapped his son right before, and basically he buried him alive, and he has a certain amount of hours to solve the case that Dylan Sprouse presented him, or his son will die and run out of oxygen. Even though I was in the industry and had this deal going on before, I realized like you could always get better in this industry and refine your education, your skills. And by the time I got to the shoot of Neglected, they saw that my writing changed completely, and I had all these edits I wanted to do, and they're like, "Did your writing get better?" I'm like, "Yeah, because I got Toronto Film School's education under these like master class mentors and teachers like Michelle Daly, who was at CBC, who greenlit Schitt's Creek, Andrew Barnsley, who was like the president of our school, Alan Resnick, who was on all these shows, and I got very lucky with the teachers and mentors who helped guide me and craft my writing even more."